We have actually contacted suppliers in China who will give us a no bid on a product if it's under a certain number of parts. So that's where the onshoring comes in the U.S. and additive can play a major role in onshoring, because that now you can get the equipment domestically. It's not that expensive. You have control over every aspect of manufacturing. Probably the biggest thing is that you can manufacture just in time, like real just in time manufacturing. When someone places an order, they can have it within a few days. So there's no inventory that they have to worry about. And that, because of the flexibility of additive, that there's no worrying about swapping out tools or prepping the machine for a different type of run. You just put new material in, hit the button, and away you go. So that is a huge advantage for onshoring. The other advantage is the fact that you can change on the fly, right? If you have a part that goes out in the field, and this is actually a big challenge when you start talking about manufacturing injection molded parts, for example. I can create a part, get it out into the field, and if somebody determines that there's a flaw in the part that can be mitigated by a design change, I can implement that change and just roll it right into production without having to worry about getting new tooling and worrying about lead time. Now, there are challenges with that, mainly because there's a whole process around change management that has to be dealt with. But if you think about just the from the aspect of manufacturability, we can implement changes almost as fast as we can make changes to software. Right? Think about how you get a new version of software every few months. You could certainly do that with physical products when you're onshoring and you're using additive manufacturing as your fabrication technique.